Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to hopefully resolve issues you might have with Firefox not responding. Specifically, we're going to be going over how to disable a feature within Shockwave Flash in order to disable the Adobe Flash protection mode. And I find that this method seems to work for quite a few people, short of actually resetting the Firefox web browser. So this is going to be a pretty straightforward tutorial we're going to be getting into today. And we're going to start by opening up our Firefox web browser. I'm just going to type in Firefox here. It should be listed as a desktop app in Windows 10, but in earlier versions it should just say Mozilla Firefox here. So you want to left click on it. So now I'm going to select the menu button in the top right corner where the three horizontal lines are right here. And then you want to left click on the add-ons button. On the left side, left click on plugins. Okay, so now that we're underneath the plugins section, you want to see where it says Shockwave Flash. You want to left click on the options button immediately next to it on the far right side. So now we see there's an area that says Enable Adobe Flash Protection Mode. You want to uncheck this box. Please note that this will actually make your computer a little bit more vulnerable to security exploits, specifically through Adobe Flash, as it would imply. And then you don't have to click on save it or anything, just keep it unchecked. And at this point you can close out of the web browser. And it should automatically save your changes and you should be good to go. So I hope this brief tutorial fixed your guys' problems. As I mentioned earlier in the video, if you have further issues you can always uninstall the Shockwave application, or you could even reset your Firefox web browser altogether and that should ultimately solve your issue one way or the other. So again, I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.